That's a time. That's no time. So what we had was that previous day high area stalled off before 10, had an inverse fair value gap and a breaker down here for potential sells here and here. And then this run was like 60 points, if not 100 points all the way. So that could have been a trade. But again, right now we're waiting for, we're actually holding out, waiting for past 10 to make a decision on any trades. So just give it a second. We're just waiting until after 10 to kind of make some decisions. But between ES and NQ, both of them had a sell above previous day's high. So this is previous day high. This one found support. MES found support on midnight open. NQ hasn't reached midnight open yet, so that could be another downside target potentially. But we just want to wait till 10 actually occurs. So about to be 10, so just give it some time. Okay, now it's 10. Let's see what the 10 o'clock does. Go on the 1 hour time frame. Just to see what we're looking at. All right, so on the 1 hour, right, we have a sweep above the previous day high, which would indicate a sell, right? And if let's say we're taking that sell back down into the range, right, we want to see us touch at least 0.3 to 0.5, and we'd be buying down here potentially, right? There's also confluence for that buy with this inverse gap right here. So potentially you may come down and it may be a good reason to buy at that point. Now, if we zoom into like let's say the 30-minute, all right. Again, we're looking at that 1 hour sweep. Look how this candle body closed below this one. We may get continuation to the downside. 15-minute. Okay, this is just a liquidity point. This level here is just liquidity. So we may come down and take that level. Let's see. But the original setup, like if you're willing to trade a little bit before 10, would have been previous day high sell-off, confluence between ES, NQ, and YM. And there's a unicorn with an IFVG that was presented. So we're going to see if that setup will still be able to play out. We go down to a lower time frame, go to the 5-minute. What I'll do is I will just copy the other prompt and I'll erase everything so um, we can draw it again. Okay, so previous day high was ran, right? And then paste this. The previous day high was ran, and then right here is an inverse fair value gap. This is off the 5 minute, 3 minute. It's an inverse fair value gap, right? So that could have in itself just been an area to trade. You always want to look for inverse fair value gaps near any higher time frame draws, such as previous day high, previous day low, previous day high. So inverse on previous day high, great selling point, right? And then we also have like a small breaker here that you could use, and depending on the time frames, there may be another one. On the 2 minute time frame, there's one right here. So I'll identify that so we can just look at the little overlap, and I'll change the color a little bit. Okay, this one I'll label it the breaker. That's the breaker. Let's change the size of it. Font breaker 20. That's the breaker. And this is the inverse. All right. So it looks like this setup is being invalidated, right? So it worked initially here, here, here. Now price is breaking past. So what we'd be looking for now is going to be a potential retest for a long if we can't stay above this level. If we do stay above this level, if we stay above this level, we want to retest to go long. Or if we can't, we possibly can take a short. Let me check the other pairs just to confirm what's going on. So MES. So MES pulled back and is now above previous day's high. YM is above right at previous day's high as well. So there could be a potential for a sell-off. We're all above previous day's high again. The question is there lower time frame confirmation? So it looks like there's really no lower time frame confirmation at this point. You have to just be more patient and just to decide. But this blue box is essentially a macro. Okay, here might be getting those sells off of previous day's high again, off of that level. I'm going to take a short in my other account right here. I'll sell it. I'll share that screen. And a stop will go slightly above the highs. And we're targeting the 50% level of I'll just let me share the screen with you guys just really quick. So you can see I'm in some shorts right now with one contract fluctuating. We're going to test to see if this trade will work out. Stops are going to be right above these highs. So if this gets swept, the shorts will be invalidated. Let's see over here. So it looks like shorts may get invalidated. I was hoping that closure below would bring us further lower with the inverse. It looks like it might be using it as support now. The breaker is being used as support. So this trade probably not good. Hold on. See the other pairs. That's inverse building up. Let's see. See if we get the meltdown, or it's just another retest. We gotta see if we can get a short here. Check the page again. Okay, we're still just floating negative at this point. But we have the stops at the highs, so I'm okay with this trade. It's not a terrible start just to see. More conviction would have been here, but I want to see if this would still play. It looks like it's not going to play. It's closing above, retesting to go bullish. I think I may take this off early. Let's see. because the other pairs look like they're going bullish. Support here, potentially, support here, potentially, and then potentially support here. But I want to see maybe go close below. If not, we'll get stopped, and that's okay. Stop losses, right, both those equal highs. So let's see if we'll get stopped. See if we get a quick short back down into the range, or if we're gonna get stopped. It looks like it's forming support on the other pair, so I think I'm gonna exit this, flatten this, go long, because it looks like we're finding support here and potentially on the other pairs as well. So I've flipped my position to go long. All right, so we took a small loss, about 66 bucks. Now let's see if we can get back in profit. And then then the stop is gonna go right here. If we violate that, then I'll be out of this trade. I want to see based on us finding support on the other pairs and also the inability to go down from MNQ. I want to see if that would result in bullish movement. So that former breaker and inverse possibly being inverted to go up. I want to see if that'll play out. I could get stopped as well. If I get stopped on this one, I'll probably just cut off the stream. I'm just testing out the stream just to see how I can, better show what I'm doing. But this today, waiting until 10 to try to take this sell, should have probably just taken it sooner. But I did flip to buys now, so let's see if we can profit on those buys. And it looks like MYM has a possible better entry for the buys. I might take MYM on some other accounts actually. MicroDAO. Let me see. So let's go back to this. We're still down in this position. Wasn't the best overall position, but I do have some faith in those longs, just based on the inability to go short. So let's just see if price will break out. And I do have some buys on MYM on another computer. But essentially, what we're looking at here is, let me see. If we can get I put a buy stop here. So that way, if it shoots up, we'll still get some more profit out of there. Let's see. Okay. So I'm in a long on MYM on my other account. All right. Stop at the low pretty much. And then we're going to try to take the highs and further. And then on MNQ, I'm in a long right about here. Is it in profit? It's in profit like 18 bucks. So we're in a long right about here. Just for some projection's sake, if I get the fib out, measure that last down close order block, that'll be the -1, -2. So let's just mark off -2 as a possible TP. So if we go look at the trade, we're up $24. Almost mitigated half that small loser. So let's see if we can get up to 100, then go break even on this. And then I'm going to look at the other positions I have on just to double check. Let's see. See if we'll clear all these highs. That's the goal. Ustream, yeah. See if we can get up to here, and then the stop. I stop kind of wide, but I want to see how it's going to progress. Technically, we're back above previous day's high. I might be incorrect in my flip into the long position, but we'll see. I have a feeling that we're using it as support. We get further bullish momentum up. Let's see if we can get that or not. It might be a sell-off right now as I'm in this motherfucker. We got to see what it's going to do. Not looking good on any of them, to be honest. Actually, not looking good. Let's see. IQ is finding support above previous day high. Hopefully it stays there. I'll prefer to not close below it again. Prefer to stay above it and use it for bullish momentum. Right? So if we zoom in, there's a chance it's going to go up. Chance. This is how my trade's looking right now. Not the best, but still in it. So let's see if this trade will work out. Holding it. We should see all the pairs break for new highs, not all-time highs, but new highs. So if MES can break higher, that'll give us some more confirmation. I'll erase all this stuff on MES. But essentially, I want to see it go higher. See if this one's working. MYM. So MYM still looking okay. We're predicting that price will go bullish. This was used as support on ES. This was used as support on MNQ. We're currently above previous day's high, so I want to see if that will be used as support to shoot us further up. Once I go about 100 up, I probably would just go break even on that trade. Okay, my other accounts are currently doing decent with YM. They're not being shared at this moment, but they're doing decent. Let me see if I can pull them up. Let me see. So as you can see on this page, currently in longs on YM, 4 contracts deep. YM is a little bit less volatile. I'm gonna drag the stop up to the last green candle before red candle, so about 114 point stop. Dollar stop. Okay, once it goes up 100, I'm gonna go break even on it. But the thesis was initially that we were gonna sell off, and that sells occurred before 10. I wanted to still push it after 10, proved to be incorrect, so then I flipped my bias back to the longs. The support was more easily seen on ES and YM. NQ, we're at previous day's high. Still took it on this account. I still took the trade on NQ on this account. So there is a NQ trade being taken, but the best risk reward opportunity, it seems to have been the YM, just as how far down it was in a discount, right? So if it's pushing aggressively up, go break even on that. If it goes to 200, I'll probably add another contract. So we're sitting here with this one. This one's going profitable. I'm going to add one more contract since we're finally out of that initial drawdown. All right, so trade looks decent at this time. We flip back to this. So we're at the -1 deviation. I'm hoping we can hold above that. And then I put an alert for the -2 deviation. So at the -2 deviation, that's probably where I'll be looking to exit or at least partial the position. Okay, here we're up 127. And I have one more contract
Order
on
filled.
here. And what I'll do is I will drag the stop under for $46 loss. 5 contracts deep. Once we get to these equal highs, once we get to this equal high, I will take something off. So I'll put, let's see, I'll put a sell limit. It's not, oh, it's because it's, let me see, limit sell 1. We're here like this. See if we can get to that. I think we should be able to since we took the highs on the other pairs. We're going to find out together. Operating off of the premise that we should be going further long to this -2 deviation on ES. We're at the equal highs, so potential to go higher still. I'm hoping this gets used as a fair value gap to take us higher. Look at these other trades to see if we get stopped. Let's see, this one's okay. I just stop loss base melt wasn't the best, but could probably move the stop in so we just won't at least lose money if this melts. Don't want to lose money if this melts. That's fine. So at least that one's break even. This one is still weird. Damn. Okay, we retraced a bit. So let's see if we can shoot back up and get back in profit. I can mitigate that. It's just going to require patience. See if YM can get a little bit higher. See if each one is MES, MQ, they're all above the levels. That might be it. Trade might not work out. I'm gonna have to look at this and see if it's gonna get stopped. This one may get stopped. Sucks. It's unfortunate.
Order filled.
Yep, got stopped on that one. Should have just left it. That sucks. And this one is now probably negative. So let's go here and look at it and cry. Damn. Should I close this? Probably. We're gonna go long. We tap back in, so that might be a reason to buy it up again.
Order filled.
Let's see. I'm mad I should have took this profit off. Now this one's not doing good. Yeah, that was not good. Should have mitigated that drawdown, but let's see if this one will go back up. NFP, YM sucks. Not the best trading, but it is what it is. So see if this trade plays out. Still in MNQ, still in YM, still in it. Don't know. Probably should have got out of this trade. I did at the top like an idiot. This is a dumb trade. Let's see if we'll get any bullish momentum back up. I think we will. Hoping we will. Or else my position is ruined, which is okay. But I wish I had better risk management at that point just to close out that or mitigate that loss. I should have mitigated this loss here. And we're in profit. But let's see. Let me pull up the screen. This doesn't make sense, does it? I'm looking at the 1 minute, 3 minute. I want to see us go bullish after that bearish candle. Sucks. Yes. Hopefully it's using it as support, seeing as how we stopped by it. But I want to see it to propel super high. I should have known once we hit that -1 deviation, there's a potential to reverse, and we did. But I want to see if we'll go back up to hit the -2. It's not the best trade, but just got to manage risk, and that's it. Let's see if this won't work. Do I want a DCA into this? I don't want a DCA into this account. There's 3 accounts running. There's no reason to DCA. The trade was already not the best entry, so just relax. See if this one can at least get a bullish push up after that bearish candle. Might not do it actually. Doesn't look that good. I don't like how that's wicking. I want to see it full candle bodies. Like I want to see an aggressive push. So can we get that? Doesn't look like it over here. Sucks. It's terrible on here. Fuck. Previous day high again. Get fucked. Damn, I should have just left that bitch alone. Let me see. MIM looks like it's running, but I don't see the same for MNQ. Need that candle to close up. See if we got a huge push up just to vindicate us. Put one more contract on that. This is our chance. Let's see. Makes sense to go up. So we're going to find out right now together if NQ is just going to shoot up to that -2 deviation, standard 2 deviation. I think we will. Find support on previous day high. See if we can shoot up. Ugh, ugly. Come on. Vindicate us. Come on, let's go. Don't really like this. MQ is not bad. I mean, M1 is not bad. M1 is going up. MNQ is slightly going up.
Order filled.
Okay, so now tighten the stop. We're 7 contracts deep in MIM. It's going up. This MNQ trade is finally back close to break even now that I've added a 3rd contract on there. Let's see if we'll shoot up so I can mitigate some of the drawdown and leave a contract. That's the goal. We want to mitigate the drawdown. We'll mitigate a contract above there. So that way when it hits it, we'll at least be out of drawdown and have something running. Now the MIM trade, again, let's use a fib level to determine the profit target. So let's say we're going to measure this. Let's measure it backwards. Let's measure this. So -2618. Probably -2 is probably like right here. So what we'll do is we'll take off 6 there. We'll leave a runner. Or take off 5 there and leave a runner. The limit sell 5. And then what we'll do is we'll get rid of the other thing. We'll get rid of the limit sell 7. And then we'll go break even on this. Right? Now we got 7 cons running in that bid. And then let's go to trade of A. Okay, we're back break even on this trade. Let's see if we can get into profit. See if this is just a quick. I think it's gonna work because we're at 1 again. We should break past it. Look at the other pairs. Let's see. Another equal high level that we're touching. I want to see us take them out though. I want to see us take out these equal high levels, and then after we're done with this trade, we'll take a break. And I'll come back a bit later because I feel like I did kind of a lot of work. That's kind of whack. I could have my 200 already. See if we can get the rest of this. Come on. MES. Let's take a look at these again. So MNQ is back at that 1 deviation. See if we'll get to the 2. It's a good sign, I think. Let's see, we're gonna open up this. It's MES, then MYM. I don't really like this doji looking candle, but gotta just see what prints. It looks good. Let's share this screen. Share this tab instead. So right now I actually have 5 accounts running on this one for $230 profit. I'm gonna drag the stop up just slightly to about $50 profit. We're gonna hold on to this limit 5 at 41414141. But we're in a profitable trade. We were already profitable before in this trade. Now let's see what the other MNQs. So MNQ is not looking too bad. So that 1 contract is going to come off pretty soon, and that's going to mitigate some of the drawdown. Actually, I'll just take it off myself. I'm going to drag this down just so that I'll take it off myself. I'll put a new one closer, just so we can possibly hit it quicker and mitigate the drawdown. But at the very least, actually, sell by market, sell by ask. Is it gonna go? I think it's gonna go. That's why I don't really want to hit it a manual close. I want to kind of let the market play itself out. I like that we're up this much. I'm gonna take off. No, I'm not gonna take that thing off. Just leave this. Just let this trade play out. Damn. Come on, ES. Come on, YM. So we're still holding it. We're trying to get to slightly above this range as an overall target. I probably should have took that off there. As you can see, it's retraced, but it's pulling back. Hopefully to give it another entry, maybe. I want to take one more. Or is it gonna melt? I don't want to get it again if it's gonna melt. Probably should have took off my position. This hurts. Let's see. Doesn't look good. Oh god. Stupid. It might still shoot up. It's just the way that I adjusted the stops or didn't adjust it here, has pissed me off. And then here, gonna get stopped out for fucking $50. It goes up 270. That shit's annoying. Fuck. Don't know, bro. Don't know. I keep doing the same shit. It's getting annoying. It's like I keep fucking not taking profit. All right, I'm in there with 10 cons. Fuck it. Stop here. Let's see if it'll. That was poor trade management. I shouldn't have tightened that stop so tight. Because now that's why I FOMO'd in 10 now, because I'm mad I gave back that profit that I could have secured. So it's like you just gotta secure it. Supposed to do 200 a day with this, but niggas not being focused, so then doing the wrong thing. Gotta fix these bad habits. Gotta fix them soon to see if this will work. I don't even like the verbiage I'm using. It's gonna work. It's just bad trading overall. That's all it really comes down to. When you look at it, it's like, why are you doing this and that and that? Just bad trading. Let's see if NYM is gonna end up going back up. Probably will. Probably just tighten stop too tight. That's why it got stopped. Just like the last trade. But next time, take a big partial, leave the runner. Let's see if we can at least push back up on these. I think we will. Doesn't look good on anyone. I don't like that candle. Fuck. Anger and resentment, because I was above this and I could have easily took a fucking good profit. And then now I FOMO'd in a bad position here for 10, which doesn't make no sense. And now I needed to fix it to vindicate me. It's a bad trade. There was a good trade before, but then that was poor risk management. You saw me go from good risk management to poor risk management. Go from scaling in to throwing 10 at once in the middle of the range with a tighter stop. It's probably going to get hit, but I don't even want to accept that loss mentally. So this wasn't the best. So I'll probably just close this and just hope for better. See if NYM go up. Did I get caught in this, or is it going to go up? Is it your ego? What is it? Is it going to go up? Or did you get caught in this? Must be my ego. When in doubt, scale out. I need this to go up if it's going to work. If it's not going to work, it's not going to go up, obviously. But did too much. Did too much. Not very happy with this session. I kind of want to close everything and just close it up. Let's see. Back up a little bit in here. This was dumb. Should have never fucking scaled out this, but I had to. Come on. Is it over? It's either over and I don't know, or it's not over. Find out. Fuck around, find out. Is it over? I don't want it to be over. We need that to take that high. I don't like that. Mid. What the fuck? Come on. Go bullish. Please. No, I played myself. The key was I should have took off some profits when I was up 200 plus and left the runner. But I kind of just wanted to catch infinite profit, and now I'm paying the fucking price. Come on. Come on. What the fuck is it? I mean, yeah. Fuck, man. Should I just close this? I'm not happy with this. This is not looking good. It's just slowing down too much. It's still gonna work, but we gotta wait. Just wait. Kind of want to close all this shit. This badass fucking idiot trade. That might close this shit. Bruce. Damn. Fuck. Bro, you're not trading, you're gambling now. If you put on 10, you can't hold the stop too wide now. I want to see that bit go up. Oh, I need to see that bit go up. Why is YM not going up? You're a fool, Bruce. That's what it is. You're fooling yourself. That was a bad trade because you over leverage. That's why you can't. The other one is okay, but this one can't even hold it properly. Barely. Close. What the fuck? Come on. Okay, let's see if this all goes. I think we're good. Might be good. Jesus Christ. Christ, relax. Come on, go up. Come on. Could mitigate this. I might close off 5 of these once it gets back in profit because I think 10 on this bitch. Is it ego? Is it an ego trade? Am I thinking it's an ego trade or I'm thinking it's gonna go up? Is this trading correct? Fuck, I think that's it. Damn it, nigga wouldn't close the trade. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Okay. Come on. What the fuck? Bro, you messed up. Need to go up. Fuck, man. What the fuck? It's still going up. You're wrong. Yeah, this is not the good trading day for me. This sucks. I'm overholding it. I'm emotional about it. God damn, we should have took off the 5 and the fucking chance. Come on, it needs to run. That's the only way it has to run. Bro, is it gonna run? It don't look like it's gonna run, Bruce. Maybe it will. We need it to run. Fuck. Let's go up. Come on. That's how you know you're not managing risk. You talking about come on. You're not managing risk, but you talking about come on, brother. You talking about come on. How much else you gonna take? Over leveraging. That might be a good sign if it'll go up. Come on. Go up. This is not how you trade, guys. This is not good trading. It's mid trading right here. Good trading is managing the risk, taking your profits, leaving a runner. Bad trading is not managing the risk, not taking the profits, trying to leave the whole position as runner. That's bad trading. Need to see if it'll shoot up. I'm confused, honestly. Why are you confused? It's obviously not going your way. You're trying to hold it. I move that shit. I can barely see. Fuck me. Bro, what the fuck? Come on. Go up. Go up. Come on, go up. What are you doing? Look at the trading view. Is there one more push up or yeah, we're probably about done with this shit. If we can't get the gap back up, we're done. Unfortunately, nigga. This looks promising. Come on. You have to close like that. Don't reach it, just close like that. Go above it and close like that. Still holding. Still praying. See. For this one to get out. Being pissed. Is it gonna go? I think it should go. Might still have a chance. Come on. Stressful. This is not good trading. This is not good trading. It's because I put 10 on this one. I should have put 5 or 1. I should put 1 to 5, but because I didn't take profits those 2 times when I was up, I'm mad. As soon as you're up 100, so I'm gonna take half. Fuck it. I think we're gonna get what we need. Let's see. Come on. Come on. I'm trying to see what's going on. Should I close this? Fuck. Of course I should have closed it. But you're not really trading, you're just gambling. That's all it is. And then you're taking the trade. You're taking the losses personal right now. They're all pissing me off individually. Every little loss. Fuck me. That's all it really comes down to. Just getting fucked. You're getting caught up in lower time frame shit. It really retraced all the way back? That's crazy. Just take what you can get, bro. I'll just take this. We're gonna take a full ton. This looks terrible. This shit's pissing me off, I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully this macro sends it up, I don't know. I need something to send it up. I'll get out within the next fucking 5 to 10 minutes. Bro, what is happening? Go up. Bro, that was it. Come on, stop playing. What the fuck we doing? You can't fucking trade this. You're over leveraged, dumbass nigga. This is over leveraged. That's why that shit hurting me so bad. This loss gonna hurt because it's over leveraged. I should have took it off those 3 times I was there. Just hold for a potential profit. Don't make no sense. See if it'll just shoot up. That's what we're basically betting on. We're betting on a parabolic shootout to then sell off. Come on. Bro, what's the thesis again? Forgot. What's the thesis? You may get it. It may work out. Oh, it may work out. We just gotta see. MNQ. That's how YM looks. Not good. But I heard about this. Yes. I think it's over. Should close this all. Just let it go. Because how many pullback sell trades he's gonna give me? And I'm just gonna sit there like, no, it's not. It's over. It's over. This is over. I don't feel like, oh god. Fuck this stream. Fuck man. Just need to fuck off. End stream.